Hello everyone, welcome to self-paced workshop on Mendeley. In this workshop, we will make you learn how you can use Mendeley and how you can introduce life to your research so that your research will have impact on the grounds, and how you can showcase your research to the world, and how you can organize your all publications, everything you do for the research purpose. So we have divided all the modules into different chapters so that one module will not be so long that you could have so many information but you can't implement. So we will give you some assignments also. We will also introduce you to a short quiz to test what you have learned. So the whole module will go in a simple wording, simple language, and with the simplicity, our main aim is you can start using Mendeley and organizing your research from today itself. You don't have to go for other resources to learn Mendeley, how you can use it, how you can organize and share your research with the world. So everything we will make sure that you will learn in this particular workshop. So this is powered by Elsevier, the tool Mendeley, and we will see how it can be beneficial for you. So first of all, Mendeley is having a Mendeley reference manager. It is a free web and desktop reference management application. It helps you simplify your reference management workflow so you can focus on achieving your goals. And with the reference manager, you can store, organize, and search all your references from just one library. There is only one library from where you can do the storage part, organize part, and search all your references. Seamlessly, you can insert references and bibliographies into your Microsoft Word documents using Mendeley site. So that is really a wonderful part, how you can insert your references and bibliographies. And then you can also read, highlight, and annotate PDFs and keep all your thoughts across multiple documents in one place. And lastly, you can collaborate with others by sharing the references and ideas. And if we see inside the Mendeley Reference Manager, you will be able to add your publication through different modes. You can upload PDF, you can manually add your publication, you can use various formats like BibTeX, EndNote XML, RIS, and also there is one library which we have discussed that you can put everything in your library, and that is also having a feature of syncing. You can sync online so that whatsoever you have added in your standalone tool Mendeley, it can be synced with the online library, online account that you have created on mendeley.com. And after that, you can manage your publications, you can add special notes, you can make it starred so that it will show you the important publications for you. You can add the publications into the favorite folder as well. And then you can get the details of published papers through Mendeley Web Importer. So anywhere you have published any paper, you can get it into your Mendeley Reference Manager through a feature of Mendeley Web Importer. It is basically added into your browser. Any browser you can incorporate so that you can get all the details of your published papers into your Mendeley Reference Manager. So everything we will see how it works. So first modules will be on theory part, that what can we do with Mendeley, and then we will have a hands-on training. I will show you how you can add these things, how you can use the Mendeley. So that will be another part where we will see a hands-on training on this particular tool. So what is Mendeley? We have little bit discussed that it's a free academic software. It works on cross-platform. You can use on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it is available for all major browsers. So you can see here, one is a desktop version, and that you have downloaded the Mendeley, then you can see like this, and if you are using on web by creating your account on Mendeley, so it will give you this view of Mendeley library. So let us go ahead. So how does Mendeley help? Here you can see that on a cloud there is a Mendeley, and you can add your publication through uploading the PDFs or using different formats, and also you can retrieve your publications, your published papers, your published work through different browsers using Mendeley web importer. So once you have used either of the mode, it goes into your Mendeley. Whether you are doing in a cloud form or you have downloaded the Mendeley, it will be added into your library, and then you can save, you can organize, you can share with the world. Again, with the same PC, you can organize, you can share, and you can also share the link over different browsers so that you can showcase your research to everyone. Once suppose you have been asked to share your IEEE publication, then you can directly go to your Mendeley, whether it is on cloud or in your software. You can retrieve that publication and you can share the link, and it will also help you that you don't have to search your PC, your folders, your different links where you have pasted that this particular paper has been published in this IEEE, or it is in Elsevier, or it is with any other publisher. So it will help you to organize all your publications, and once you need any publication, you need any link, you need any references, bibliography style, you would like to cite your own publication, that is self-referencing, so it will help you a lot in all these processes. So how you can use Mendeley is, so you have to create a free account on mendeley.com. This is a official website of Mendeley. It is very simple. You just click on create account, you can fill your details, your name, your email ID, your contact details, and then simply your account will be created, and there you can see the library, and you can put all the details into your library. And if you would like to download the software, then you can see on the top right there is a sign in, create account and download. After creating the account, it will give you an option to download Mendeley, so you can start downloading process, and meanwhile you can enrich your profile by adding your information, your credentials, and once you have downloaded the Mendeley, you can start adding your publications and you can start organizing as you want. So this is a version of Mendeley desktop once you have downloaded. So here you can see that it's basically a library. You can see here all the papers that has been added, and it will give you a view on the right side, your paper title, who were the authors, and year of publication, pages, abstract, tags, author keywords, city, institution, URL, catalog IDs like DOIs, and all these information related to one publication will be there in the right side. And on the left side you can see various functions. It's having all documents, recently added, recently read, favorites, needs review, my publications, unsorted. You can have a subject wise also, like it's economics folder, then examples, history, new horizons, and so on. So there are n number of features in the Mendeley where you just have to upload or add the information regarding your publication. Then it will give you a one window where you can retrieve all the information. So suppose you don't have any publication link with you, or you don't have the PDFs, then there is an option of adding manually also. So here you can see all these options are editable. If your system, if Mendeley web importer doesn't get all the details from the website, or your format is not filling all the information here, and if you know that what is the answer of these tags and author keywords and city, institution, you can manually edit also. So it will give you an option to add anything you would like to add regarding your specific publication published in any published with any publisher, so you can add definitely. So this is really easiest way to organize your publications, to save your publication, and once you need it, you can easily retrieve that. So this is the simplest way that how Mendeley desktop works. And this is a version of Mendeley web. If you are working on mendeley.com, you have visited your library section, then again it will give you such an option. It is quite similar how it was looking in Mendeley desktop, and here you can see that you can add a new here, recently added, recently read, favorites, my publications. You can also put your publication in trash if you have made some mistakes. So all these options are available. So these are some collections. You can join some collections. There are some private groups also. So as we do in Facebook or any Twitter or any other social media platforms, we used to have some groups, and similarly on the Mendeley you can start using the Mendeley Advisors group or any research related group you found on Mendeley. You can definitely join and can become the member of that particular group. So this is how Mendeley Desktop and Mendeley Web works, and you can start putting your all the publications in a well organized way. So this is how Mendeley Web looks, and then you can have a lot of documents, so you can start doing the referencing part also. So once your PDF or your publication is there in Mendeley, so you can putting some information, you can add some tags, so that once you need, suppose you are writing some document and you need reference of that particular publication, so that can also be retrieved from the Mendeley Desktop or Mendeley your when you are working on mendeley.com. So that documents references or bibliography can be retrieved to your working document. Suppose you are writing a paper and then in the end of the paper there is a references part and you would like to cite your own paper. So you don't have to go to the paper and check the author details, your title, your year of publication, everything. All the details will be retrieved directly into your Word document if you are working with Microsoft Word, and it is easily embedded. Your Mendeley will be embedded in Microsoft Word, and you can directly putting all the references and bibliographies into your working documents. So it helps you in referencing and documents. So this is all about today's session, not today's session, about this particular module. So let us meet in next module.